There's a covered bridge. That's a Vermont thing.
Well, we didn't.
Vermontsy. When in doubt. Woo, bless you. When in doubt, Goodwill. We're in Montpelier, Vermont. Reminds me a lot of Charleston, West Virginia. In the mountains, not real big. Oh, wait, oh my God.
Right?
It's downtown Montpelier. When I think of Vermont, it's kind of what I think of. Small towns, mountains, green mountains in the background. I like it. Ooh, red light. Stop. Yeah, it really does look like West Virginia.
No. Maine's Monday.
I think so. Come on, buddy. Let's check this place out. I got it. Hey, Brady, look. Sami Zayn again.
Same book.
Guess who that guy on that face looks like? It's like Brady.
Is 0% maple? Buttersworth is 0% maple. Aunt Jemima is 0% maple. Log cabin.
Grandpa Joe. Grandpa Joe. Right there.
Yeah,
Looks like Grandpa Joe from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
it does. You know who it really is?
Who?
Albert Einstein.
Who's that?
Let you get anything you want, like moose poop. Ooh.
It's
No,
not
it says moose
actually.
plop.
It's not actually that. It's chocolate.
Oh. What's faces?
Yeah.
What is that?
How's it taste?
How about like vanilla? Did you try some?
I haven't yet.
He's got the camera on. So.
I like it. I like this area even better than Burlington. Burlington's more of a bigger town. This is more the country. Even though this is the state capital. It's Montpelier. Watch out, Link. Can I try some?
Yep.
What is this?
This is maple ice cream, maple flavored, maple syrup flavored.
It's gotta get on the
It tastes like vanilla, I think.
Yeah.
That's what we all think.
Yeah.
It's just as
I don't like it.
Here we get a gallon up here. It takes 40 gallons of maple sap to make 1 gallon of pure maple syrup. I think they do tours and stuff. All right.
this is the still again.
Brady, you can have some more.
Man, Neil, we could use this for VBS. This is what he's looking for, put in the lobby. We could put a chain to it.
Yeah.
If our boys had a barn, this is what it would be like. Seats and a TV mounted to the wall. Building right there looks old. Cool jewels.
That's like.
All right, guys, where are we at now?
We're at, what is this place called again?
Buddy's Famous.
Buddy's Famous.
It's a burger place. It's kind of like a Vermont Five Guys. Pretty good. Look at this. This is the Vermonter, which is maple barbecue, cheese, bacon. What do you got, Brady? Double cheeseburger? Mama got a cheeseburger. Lincoln's just munching on fries.
Guess what?
What's on your shirt? You got a teddy bear on your shirt. Smile, Link.
Cheese.
Smile.
The cheeseburger. This is big.
Tell you what, right now it was really good. Buddy's Famous here in Montpelier. It's like a Five Guys, local Five Guys. Delicious.
Are we getting out?
No. we just wanted to document it.